How to fix Roblox face tracking not working or showing up. Step 1, all you have to do is to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Roblox application or game by downloading it. You can go to Microsoft Store to download Roblox, or you can go to any web browser and then type Roblox download. And this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is just simply click download now. Go to your folder or download folder and then run this as administrator and then launch the application or the game. Step 2, you just have to check camera and microphone permission. So one of the reasons why your camera or it's not working or not showing up because the compatibility of your camera and microphone is not matched. So you have to make sure that this camera and microphone are both working. Step 3, all you have to do is to launch your Roblox application. Go to your settings and then tap privacy. Now you have to enable camera here. You have to scroll down and then look for communication. Okay, and then here, see that you have to enable this camera in order for you to use this. Okay, click enable. And then step 4, you have to go to your account info and make sure that your age has been verified. So you have to verify your age in order to get this feature, in order to get this microphone and camera feature. To do that, you have to submit IDs. You have to follow some instructions here in order for you to verify your age. And then step 5, you have to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet or your Wi-Fi is strong or your data connection is strong. So these are a few of the methods and how to fix this Roblox face tracking not working or showing off. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.